So in this question we want to look at what is 212 in base 3 times 2 in base 3. Now because we're doing a multiplication sum in a different base from base 10, we have to remember that the process still stays the same. So we still set it out as 212 times 2. Now because the process doesn't change, we still do 2 times 2 first. Now we all know that 2 times 2 is 4, but because we're doing this in base 3, we have to look at how the number 4 is represented in base 3. So if we go over here and we look at the number 4, now we know that 3 goes into 4 once with 1 left over. So we now know that the number 4 is represented as 1, 1 in base 3. So we can use this number within our sum. So we then go over and we put in the 1 and we carry the 1 over. We then go on and do 2 times 1, which is 2, but we have to remember to add on the 1 that we've just carried over, which gives us 3. But because we're doing this in base 3, we have to then look at how 3 is represented in base 3. And we know that 3 goes into 3 once with nothing left over. So we know now that 3 is represented as 1, 0. And again we can use this number now within our sum. So we put down the 0 and carry over the 1. We then go on and do 2 times 2, which is 4, and then we add on the 1, which again we've carried over to give us 5. But again, because we're doing it in base 3, we have to look at how 5 is represented in base 3. Now we know that 3 goes into 5 once with 2 left over. So we can then use this number within our sum and we can put down 1, 2. So the final answer to what is 212 in base 3 times 2 in base 3 is 1, 2, 0, 1.